Hello there. Today I got some lithium polymer batteries, LiPo batteries, in the mail, and I'm going to be installing them into the Powerarmor. The thing about these is that putting them in parallel, they're going to give me about a tenth the power of a car battery, but they're also going to be a lot lighter than a car battery. So, let's take a look at these batteries. So you can see these batteries have got a fancy special connector on them, but the charger I got actually has alligator clips on the end. So I'm just going to cut these off, just in case, give it enough space. So, ooh, cut wires one at a time, otherwise you'll short circuit the stuff. There we go. Well, since I short-circuited this one, might as well take a look inside. Just took off the little wrapper. And look, 3 cells. Let's see if I can get to the bottom of this. See if there's some sort of a circuit protection in there. There we go. And of course, before I go any further, I'm going to cover up the terminals. That way there's no more accidental short circuits. There we go. This little piece of foil should be down and connected like that. You can see when I push it down, I get the 11 volts. So what the short circuit effectively did was it burnt out that little piece of foil. All I gotta do is put that little bit of foil back on there, and my short-circuiting boo-boo should be fixed. There we go, just put a little folded bit of metal in there. You can see that little thing right there. And I get 11.4 volts. And we'll just wrap this up more or less the way I found it. And we will try not to short-circuit things again. And we'll seal it all back up with the handyman's secret weapon, duct tape. And put this back in there. There we go. Problem solved. And since I made this battery kind of janky, I want to make sure that it goes into a nice, secure place on the Powerarmor. So I've got a ammo box I got from Harbor Freight with the wires for the Powerarmor leading inside. So we'll just be very careful not to short circuit everything. Hook the batteries up in parallel. That way I get the full 10,400 milliamp hours. Hook the positive up to the positive lead for the Powerarmor. And put on some of this beautiful heat shrink tubing to ensure a nice tight connection. Hold it up. And what heat shrink tubing does is exactly what it says on the can. You apply heat to it and it shrinks accordingly. So we'll just slide it over connection. And there we go. And maybe pinch the end just to make sure that it gets nice and tight. There we go. That's one. We'll wrap the whole thing in duct tape just to be safe. Better safe than sorry. There we go. And now we do the same thing for the negative leads. This time we don't have to worry about short circuits because the positive lead's already covered. Double make sure, wrap it in that tape. And I'll take both of the batteries and just plonk them in there. Close it up. And we'll attach this onto the Powerarmor. There we go. Now we take this. And just attach it right on. a kind of a fallout thing going on, where you open up the back with the power packet on the back. You can see the voltmeter around the chin is active. Now, since it's at 11.5 volts, we're probably going to be getting slower action on the linear actuators. Let's find out. Now we'll get the thigh going. In the knee. Now, it sounds a little sickly because it's only running on like 11.5 volts, so that's about a volt less than what it was running on previously. However, there's plenty of room inside this case for more batteries. You can see how little room they take up. You can probably get about 3 in the bottom for about 6 stacked up right here, maybe 2 more right there. So it can get plenty of voltage. So, if you do enjoy my videos, be sure to like and subscribe, share it with others, and next time we're going to be looking into making some feats, so we can actually start looking into walking around in this chunky power armor. So, until next time, keep playing with your PVC and batteries. Bye-bye.